friends, I'm back with another useful video, and it's all about makeup and how to have long lasting makeup in the summer. Because we have seen that जब भी गर्मी होती है तो हमारा जो मेकअप है वो मेल्ट करता है, we sweat a lot, and it is all about festival also, like रक्षाबंधन is coming, and ये तो एक औरत का हक है कि वो सुंदर लगे और बिना मेकअप खराब करे लगे. So this particular video is requested by Miss Honey. She herself is an artist, and she's very good with her mehndi skills, and she's also good with her makeup skills. So let's learn about a sweat proof, melt proof, summer proof makeup. So how to do a makeup which we can do in summers when it is humid, and these days it is raining also. So what all we can do, let's see. So I have already washed my face. मैंने अपना मुंह पहले से ही धोया हुआ है. I'll just clean my face again. So I'm using this toner. If you don't have any toner, you can just go for your rose water. गुलाब जल जो होता है, you just apply it with a cotton, or it is also available with the spray bottle. So now I will wait for 1-2 minutes. I will just allow it to get dry. So it is already very humid and it is heat outside. So I will not prefer any deep hydrating cream, but I will go for this gel based moisturizer. Yes, moisturizing is very, very, very important, but I am using a moisturizer which is gel based. So it is from Good Wife. I will apply it. तो आपको गर्मी में जो moisturizer यूज़ करना है, the moisturization is very, very important. So but it is better that you go for a gel based moisturizer. Again, if you don't have any gel based moisturizer, तो क्या करना चाहिए? If you don't have any gel based moisturizer, so what you can do, you just pick up your regular moisturizer and use it, but in a very small group. You have to maintain a gap between the application of your moisturizer and the application of your foundation. वैसे भी उसके बीच में primer का रोल आता है, but still you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes after every application. जैसे आपने moisturizer लगाया, then you wait, then you will apply primer, then you wait. So now I am using a oil-free primer, and it is from Inside. So basically, अभी तो it is all about drugstore product, but the Benefit is one of the best products. जो आपकी आपके pores भी fill करता है, and it is good for the sweat proof makeup also. Another thing is Color Bar का silicone based primer, they are there, so you can use that, and these primers are really, really very, very good. And there is a primer from PAC which is gel based, and that is also very good. So right now in this video I am using this particular primer. So primer को लेना कितना है? So this much primer, it is enough, and you can use it. I don't have any pores, so what you have to skip is your foundation. So less is more in summers, so it is always good if you will not use your foundation. Just ditch your foundation, do not use it. क्योंकि आप जितना भी foundation लगा लें, Mattify foundation or any of the foundation, if it does not have any long stay and waterproof quality, so it will go. So it is always good, use a concealer for your concern area, and it is enough. Trust him. But still, if you want to go for your foundation, so use a waterproof foundation, and my favorite is this. It is this. This is Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, and trust me, पसीना इसका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ता है. I have used it, and it is one of my favorite foundations. And another is this Sugar. This is a foundation stick, and this is equally good. But again, do not apply so much on your face. Right now I'm using a concealer because I am not using any foundation, and I'll suggest you, if you have fear कि melt हो जाएगा, so please avoid a lot of foundation on your face. Basically this is my concern area. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्लैक है. आई डोंट हैव एनी डार्क सर्कल, बस थोड़ा सा ब्लैक है. यहाँ पे मेरा एरिया ज़्यादा ब्लैक है. अगर ये जो मैंने अप्लाई किया इट इज़ फॉर द हाईलाइटिंग. दीज आर द हाईलाइटिंग एरिया. दिस इज़ ऑलरेडी अ हाईलाइटिंग एरिया, एंड दिस आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स हियर, बट आई विल यूज इट. अभी आई विल टेक अ बेबी स्पॉन्ज. इट्स वेरी क्यूट. इट इज़ फ्रॉम पैक, and I will take water. I'll spray water on it. अगेन ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप एक बेबी स्पॉन्ज ही लेंगे. यू कैन टेक एनी. Guys, please avoid using any powder based product for your face in summer. If you really want a sweat proof and heat proof makeup, and you really want your makeup to stay with you for the entire day or for a longer period of time, so avoid any powder product for your face. So I am not setting anything. I'm not using any powder for my face. And जब ब्लश की बारी आती है, अगेन आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी ब्लश, पाउडर बेस्ड ब्लश फॉर माई स्किन. आई एम यूजिंग दिस cream based blush for my cheeks. It is again from Maybelline, and it is pink in color. And if you don't have it, it's okay if you don't have it. You can use any of your creamy lipstick, right? So abhi I'll show you how it is actually. It is like this, and it is very pretty. It has a very natural flush, very natural. ठीक है. So abhi to I'm not using it. I'm using this lipstick. It is again from Maybelline, and it is Rock the Coral. ये पूरी लिपस्टिक मैंने अपने लिप्स पे अप्लाई नहीं की है. ये मैं सिर्फ अपने ब्लश की तरह से यूज़ करती हूँ. अगेन यू हैव टू स्माइल एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट लाइक दिस. Can you see this? So after doing this, I will go for the eyeshadow. Okay, I told you not to use any powdery product for your face, but again there is something which is again important. Do not use any of the creamy product for your eyes. ठीक है, तो हमें क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट आईज पे अवॉइड करना है और पाउडरी प्रोडक्ट चीक्स पे अवॉइड करना है. सो अभी आई विल प्रिपेयर माय eyes. So this is the same concealer. I'll conceal it. I'm concealing it. So after the concealer, I will use some powder and I will apply it on my eyelids. So I'm using this palette. It is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and this is one of my this is actually an ideal palette. It has everything. It is for face and it is for eyes, and it has everything. All the colors which you really need for any of the functions, party or anything. So abhi right now I'm using this orange for my transaction shade. I'm using this fluffy round brush. जैसे transaction shade जो हम लगाते हैं, it is here above the crease line, but it is okay if it will come down. It is okay for this particular look. After this transaction color, I'm using this orange, a darker one, और मैं इसको अपने पूरे lid पे लगा दूँगी. Just see how my brush is moving. Okay. Now I'm using this brush. This is an angular brush which we usually use for the eyebrows. So I am using this. And this brown shade, और मैं इससे करूँगी अपना eyeliner. देखो रक्षाबंधन जो है वो दोपहर में बनाया जाता है, मॉर्निंग और आफ्टरनून. ठीक है, इट इज़ एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट अ नाइट, it is not a festival with that we celebrate during night. तो हमें ना ज़्यादा शिमर और ग्लिटर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो विल गो मैट. Now I am using a kajal, and I will use a smudge proof kajal. So I'm using a smudge proof kajal, and it is one of my favorite kajals, and it is from Sugar. It is black, and like मैंने ऊपर बहुत intense काला काजल नहीं लगाया है, तो I will tight line. So basically tight line की technique होती है that you just take this kajal and इसको ऐसे apply करना है. But I have one hack for this. If you want to apply a black kajal for your waterline, lower waterline also, so this is the best technique. See, it is done. अब मैं अपने लोअर जो काजल है उसको मैं थोड़ा सा और इंटेंस करूँगी. I will take this छोटू सा brush and this orange color. I'll load some orange और मैं इसको थोड़ा स्मच करूँगी. And now I will go for my mascara. For eyes also I am using this waterproof Hyper Curl mascara. It is again from Maybelline. And for lips also I will use my matte lipsticks. Why I am using this? क्योंकि इसको apply करने के बाद it will not go out. It is like this. It is in a liquid form and it is like this, and it stays for a long period of time. It is from Huda Beauty, but you can pick up any of the lipstick from any of the brands, but it has to be like this. ऐसी वाली lipsticks आपको pick करनी है. Now I will use this creamy lipstick just to make my lips smooth. And now, which is again very important, it fixes whatever you have done for your face with a setting spray, and it is again from Maybelline. It is a matte, it is with a matte finish, so I am using this. It's very important. Now your makeup will be with you and it will not go anywhere. It will not melt. Sweat cannot do anything. And this is actually a matte look, matte effect of my makeup. अगर आपको लगता है कि I want some glitter, I want some shimmer and I want some dewy effect in this, so what you can do, just take your beauty blender, take your setting spray, spray a little bit, take your regular highlighter, just dab and apply it. Okay, so, and this is a very dewy and festive effect of this makeup.